Here I have LARK Evolution X4 and let me show you how to wipe cache partition on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key, choose power off and tap OK to confirm it. Now let's wait a few seconds until your device will be completely switched off, and afterwards you need to use the following combination: power key and volume down. So let's hold down together these two keys for a few seconds, keep holding both keys, power key and volume down, release both keys as soon as LARK logo pops up in front of you. And this is the Android system recovery mode. Here you can navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. So let's scroll down to highlight wipe cache partition and press power key to confirm it. Right now let's scroll down again by using volume down to yes and press power key to choose it. And now the device is whipping the cache files, the phone is formatting all temporary cache files, and as soon as Android recovery mode pops up again on the screen, let's press power key to reboot system now. So let me do it. The device is restarting and booting into a normal mode. Let's just wait a few seconds until you will be able to use your device. Excellent, now you can unlock the screen and start using your phone or your tablet. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.